with the help of Goa Waste Management, before I could become the Environment Minister, the entire garbage which was brought from Aradi, which was dumped there for so many years, along with that is been segregated, and that within the next 15 days, the entire garbage which was smelling is going to be lifted from here. Because segregation झाले आता. The next lot is we have already tendered, Goa Waste Management tendered of shifting. So 4 years back, जे garbage segregate केली, ती shift जातली. And I can assure the people of Kalangut, Michael Baba Ishwar करतात, the technology is best. Yes, there was some overload, that is why it was smelling, and smelling not only because of that, smelling because the garbage तो इतले वर्षाचा आशिलो तो काढून आशिलो म्हणून garbage maintain जातले. आता ती garbage आता ते 15 ते 1 महिना भितर ती आशिली ती segregate केली ती वयतली. आता ते 1-2 महिना भितर जो व्हडलो डंप 4-5 वर्षाचो पयलीं आशिल्लो तो वयतलो आनी भितर खंयचो डंप आसचो ना. म्हणजे वास जो प्लांटाचो जो लोक म्हणटा, इट इज अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ बोथ. And it is better that I will have in all 12 talukas, I will invite all the panchayats and elected representatives and along with the people in every taluka. Environment Ministry, not CRZ. Environment Ministry will take that plan and explain to them that what is the role of this plan. आणि हांव परतून सांगता, हांवें पयर सांगलेलें आनी आतांय सांगता, हो प्लॅन जो आसा 96 जावपाक जाय आशिल्लो तो जावंक ना. एक तो हांवें पयर दाखयलो, ताका कांयच आवय बापूय ना. तो पळोवन 2011चो प्लॅन करपाक जाय आशिल्लो, तोय जावंक ना. आता 2011चा करतरी 2019चो प्लॅन करपाक जाय. मॅन्डेट येयला जानेवारीन. हे सगळे जाग्यार घालपाकूच जाय. बेश्टे खंयची तरी घरां दाखोवं ना आनी कितें दाखोवं ना, हेका मतलब ना.
सालिगांव प्लांटार बार्देस सोडून हेर सुवाती वेल्या कोयराचे डंपिंग सुरू जाल्ल्यान डंप ताकी भायर गेल्यात म्हूण मायकलान सध्या इशू लावन धरला. प्रदूषण नियंत्रण मंडळाचे पियर्न इंडस्ट्रियल इस्टेटींतली नवी कचेरी आनी प्रयोगशाळेच्या उक्तावणाक काब्राल गेल्लो. GCZMAच्या आदल्या प्लानाक आवय बापूय ना म्हूण खंय पयर प्रेझेंटेशन करतना कळ्ळें.
I will speak to the chairman and the member secretary, and whatever improvement, even though I am not directly connected with the board, but suggestions from my department, from the director, from the secretary, will be forthcoming from what the people of Goa, the learned people of Goa, the many sort of people who are really concerned in the environment and protection of the environment of Goa.
प्रदूषण नियंत्रण मंडळाचे पियर्न इंडस्ट्रियल इस्टेटींतली नवी कचेरी आनी प्रयोगशाळेचें उक्तावण जालें. प्रुडंटा खातीर श्यामसुंदर फडते.